Hey, Danny, and welcome to my vlog. And got behind on him because got a slight cold, and I took yesterday off work just to recover. And this is what we're dealing with today. We got enough snow. Oh. I don't know where they're heading. Must have an accident someplace. On their way. Whee! Not good. I'm sure. Oh my god. Now we gotta get this cleaned off. I'll tell you. You gotta fight every minute. I go home and try and get the taxes done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. I'm getting real close to my goal, but I'm still 125 short of 1,000 subscribers to keep me my income coming in. So, and the worst thing that can happen is, it'll take another month, maybe 2 months to get my total subscriber base in, and then it takes a month to get reapproved. And then once you get reapproved, then you can start making money. But you have to go a whole 2 months. You'll have to go 2 months from the time you start making money till the time you get it. That could be a 4-month. That could be a 4-month lapse in income, which not good. Well, I made it home. You see. Oh, gotta be about 4 inches. Not bad. They said we're supposed to get between 8 to 12 inches. But it don't look like we got it, so deal with that. Right. Look, we got bunny tracks right up to the house. What do you think? What are you doing, Wiggle Walk? Deeper than you are, huh? What you doing? Huh? Deeper than you are, huh?